Hey, Dino Bob here. Hey, you might have seen our recent video on a John Deere air handler. So it's a root style supercharger. We got it in. We do stock parts for these, so we can get them out in 1 to 3 days, no problem. You know, it's a fraction of the cost, maybe a third of the cost of replacement, but it's virtually brand new. We stand behind them. They're brand new, as brand new, ready to go. So we're about 3 days shipping about from anywhere, so California, 4. So anyway, yep, there it is. If you have a John Deere combine or maybe another brand that might use an air handler, an air mover like this is a TVS, and give us a call at 636-949-2275 and we can discuss your needs. And you know, if you have a unit, it's wore out, rattling really bad, send it in. We'll take a look, give you a call right back, and get it done. No problem. All right, thanks.